Our experiment was all about rock candy. We wanted to figure out what factors that will change the outcome of the formation of candy crystals in the process of making rock candy. We hypothesized that if one factor is changed, the candy crystals will not form properly. We created 2 different procedures with these materials. At least 1 week's time, a stove, pan, measuring cup, few drops of food coloring, 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of flavoring, we used lemon, strings or popsicle sticks, a pencil or knife, paper towels, and jars. For our procedure, we boiled the rock candy solution on the stove, which was 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, a few drops of food coloring and or flavoring, depend on the round, for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we let the solution cool for another 10 minutes. Once cooled, it was poured into a jar. We tied a string around a pencil or knife. Then we placed the knife over the top of the jar after placing a paper towel covering the top of the jar. Then we were sure that the string did not touch the sides or bottom of the jar. Once the crystals formed, we took the strings out of the jars after the amount of time decided. We used 10 to 14 days. We recorded all data, and then we repeated until 5 rounds of rock candy had been made. For procedure 2, we did everything the same except the strings were wet and dipped into sugar. We collected data from both of our procedures, which led us to conclude that our hypothesis was correct. Throughout the experiment, we made observations proving that certain factors will change the formation of crystals in rock candy.